Saudara Duta Besar Iran untuk PBB Amir Saeed Irvani menuduh Amerika Serikat melakukan agresi kriminal dan melanggar hukum internasional dalam serangan gabungan Amerika Serikat dan Israel terhadap Iran. Hal itu disampaikan Amir Saeed Irvani dalam rapat darurat Dewan Keamanan PBB yang berlangsung di New York, Amerika Serikat pada Sabtu malam waktu setempat.
For the second time in the midst of the negotiation, the United States betrayed diplomacy and resorted to force and launched an attack against my country in blatant violation of Charter of the United Nations, presently interfering in Iran's internal affairs. They are even calling on the people to riot against their own government. Furthermore, the Islamic Republic of Iran has repeatedly affirmed its commitment to diplomacy and negotiation. However, it will never submit to pressure, coercion, or force. Diplomacy has rules and principles. It cannot coexist with aggression.